Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden projects, most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of wooden decoration ideas, wooden projects, useful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden projects, wooden decoration ideas, stylish decor ideas, home decor ideas, room decor ideas, office decor ideas, beautiful patio decor ideas you can see in this my video. Every types of decoration and projects you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. These things very beautiful and attractive, easy to make, beautiful and stylish wooden decoration ideas, homemade ideas. You can easily make these very beautiful projects, stylish decor ideas if you know woodworking. If you interest with wood, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Those who love such type of woodworking, so friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful woodworking ideas, woodworking projects and decor ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eby.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful objects easily online these websites in very reasonable price. Room decor ideas, home decor ideas, every types of projects you can see, useful designs and ideas, most beautiful, most attractive. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos.